You're now listening to the Shipper's Toolbox, presented by Refund Retriever. Hey guys, Brian from Refund Retriever here. Today we're going to talk about UPS declared value cost. Not UPS insurance, we're talking about UPS declared value. A lot of people use UPS insurance, and that is not the case. So, UPS provides all packages with $100 worth of liability for loss or damage automatically. So all of your Ground, Express, International automatically have $100 worth of value to UPS. So a shipper can choose to declare a higher value for the shipment for an additional charge, of course. But keep in mind, UPS specifically states that this is declared value and not insurance. So, the first $100 for free, but anything over that $100, you're going to incur a fee of $1.05 in 2019 for every $100 of value in addition. So, but the catch is also, there's a $3.15 minimum. So if you declare value of a package for $100.50, you're going to get charged for $3.15. So you're basically buying $300 worth of declared value for that package that's only 50 cents more than the $100. So you need to keep that in mind. It's going to cost you the same amount to increase your liability from $150 to $300. So, there are maximums to these UPS declared values. For packages shipped whenever a UPS account number is provided, or from like a UPS store, it's $50,000 is the max. So a package shipped using a payment card as a payment method, like with UPS Internet Shipping, the max you can declare is $5,000. For UPS print return labels and like pickup attempts, it's $1,000. Packages shipped for a third-party retailer is $1,000. Anything shipped at a UPS drop box, the maximum declared value you can get is $500. International shipments containing jewelry is $500, and packages using the shipper release method is about $1,000 is the maximum you can do. Also remember that you as a shipper cannot declare value for any UPS prepaid letters. So, when we talk about this insurance versus declared value, in page 171 of the UPS terms and conditions, it specifically says, if you want actual insurance, you should obtain it elsewhere. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. So, but also remember, whenever a shipper, you declare a value less than $100, UPS is going to pay out the lowest of that $100, the declared value that you put on it, or the depreciated price of your item, or like the repair cost of it. And it's up to you as the shipper to get it repaired. They're just going to pay for the cost, not the legwork to get it there or go pick it up, that sort of stuff. So watch what you're doing there. And also, there's ways that UPS can get around not paying out for insurance. There's a lot of people out there that, they get frustrated by the UPS claims process. So, the first one, articles of like unusual value, just weird items, prepaid letters, if it's any like deterioration or dampness, ordinary wear or tear. The biggest one that we see where claims are denied is improper packaging. The package wasn't prepared properly from the shipper, and they deny the claim. They don't give you any money for it. And there's a whole process where if somebody calls you that you shipped a package to and it got damaged, have them keep all the packaging material, have them take pictures of it, send it to you, because UPS might send out a driver to take pictures and investigate that claim for it. They're not going to pay for the face value of a check if it gets lost. Fluorescent tubes, bulbs, data stored. Anytime there's a natural, like an act of God, like a natural disaster, war, acts of terrorism, adverse weather conditions, they're not going to pay on that declared value surcharge. You're not going to get any money back for a damaged or lost package, or any package without a shipment scan. And we tell people a lot of times, you want that origin scan on your package. If it gets lost before it hits a location where there can be a scan from your warehouse door to the distribution center, say that truck catches on fire, or somebody comes onto the UPS truck and steals a bunch of stuff, if they didn't scan it, you're not getting any money back, no matter how much you declared as the value or anything. You're not getting the money back. So you really got to watch these fees. you gotta, you need reports and analytics. Like with Refund Retriever, we have reports of going kind of both ways. Packages that we see that there's a declared value fee, we're going to put those in a report for you so you know how much declared value you're actually using, how much it's costing you as a shipper. Then we also have a damaged package report where we can tell you all the packages in which we saw a damage event on the tracking and history of those packages. So you can link both of them up. You can see if somebody else, like a third party sometimes, ships on an account and the actual shipper doesn't even know that third party is using any declared value. They don't know that these extra fees are getting put onto it because they're not actually shipping the package out. So we can tell you if anybody's using those, what it's costing you, how much you're declaring in value, and also how many actual damaged or lost packages you have with your account. That's standard with our reports and analytics. These can really add up. You never even know it. These small little fees, like we say, I like to say, pennies make pounds. So these little bitty fees really add up to cost you a lot of money. With our reports and analytics, we can save you money. We also work with a company called YouPick Insurance. If you want to reach out to us, we're glad to kind of explain what they do. They're basically a third-party shipping insurance company. They insure and actually they have insurance for FedEx, UPS, USPS, and DHL. And it's cheaper than FedEx and UPS, and the claims process is a lot quicker. So if you're shipping out a lot, you can kind of get like a blanket policy, or you can insure individual packages like you do with FedEx or UPS. And the claims process, it all goes through this third-party YouPick. They're good people. We've worked with them for quite a while. Anytime we have an issue, we send a client over, they always take really good care of them. I mean, the claims process is like 7 to 10 days, where sometimes FedEx or UPS, they can take up 4 to 6 months for your claims process, and there's a lot of back and forth. Send it over to YouPick, have them insure your packages and look at what you're doing, and they'll save you money and they'll give you a much better service for your money. If you guys have any questions or anything, give me an email, brian@refundretriever.com. Check us out, www.refundretriever.com. One day we ought to have Dylan from YouPick. Shout out to Dylan. He's a good guy. He'll tell you more about YouPick. We'll set that up for you, so expect that on a upcoming podcast. Thanks for listening, guys. You have a great day. Thank you for joining us on the Shipper's Toolbox. If you have any questions, visit our website, refundretriever.com. Feel free to reach out to us, 800-441-8085, for anything related to your FedEx or UPS invoices. Have a great day.